Hey, what's up guys, it's Vineet yet again with another video, and what do I have for the unboxing today? I've got my scissors, got my hands, and wait for it, GoPro Hero 10. One of the gadgets I've been looking for, I've been waiting for a very long time. The first of the GoPros I've got my hands on to unbox. I've used some of my friends, never owned my own. This is the first one that I've got. Yeah, that belongs to me. So this looks really good. I've got the fully packed box that's literally arrived today. They've used UPS as their delivery partner. I don't know what they use in other countries. In the UK they've used UPS. So here's the box. Looks amazing. It's got the bag on the side, and quite a lot mentioned on the box. So if I was to read, so I've got 23 megapixel camera, 5.3K, 60 FPS, 60 frames, or 4K 120 frames per second. That's massive. I've never seen a camera with 120 frames per second. Okay, and 33 feet underwater, 10 meters. You can take this underwater, you can use it under the water. 10 meters, it's waterproof. GB2 processor. This is the next gen, the newer generation of processors that they used in the camera, and it says Hypersmooth 4.0. It seems to be a very smooth video capture device. And it says cloud uploads automatically to the cloud, and things like that. So with this, I've got the annual subscription, which was on sale. In fact, this was on sale with the subscription for £349, and alongside it was a 32 gigabytes of flash storage as well. I'm just trying to find where that is. I was there with the package. I think it's on the other side. Oh, here it is. Here's the flash storage that came alongside. This is the 32 gigabytes storage, which is it's a V30 glass HC. This is the HC1 V30, so this is a pretty decent micro SD card. But yeah, to the box. So let's just quickly do the unboxing and see what we've got. On the side of the box, we've got the camera information, water, voice control, slow-mo, 8x slow-mo, data overlays, time wrap, 1080p live streaming, super photo, uploads, webcam mode, mod ready, and things like that. Upload your footage to the cloud, quick app storage, Google Play Store, and all of these accessories that come in the box. Not a lot in there because this is pretty much the box itself and some of the stickables, and perhaps you've got just one battery. Yeah, just one battery with this one. Not an additional battery, so I'll have to buy another battery if I want to use this to its fullest extent. So nothing else in the box, on the box. Some of the some certifications and information that pertains to this box are literally right here. And let's just do the unboxing. This is how they expect me to open this box, and wow, okay, cool. So what do we have? We have the box. I actually bought one of these boxes before, not the GoPro, of course. I had a Bluetooth speaker which had a similar type of box. But yeah, this is GoPro, the GoPro branding on the top of the box. Nothing else, just a zipper, and inside the box we've got the camera itself. On the left you've got the Type-C USB cable. You've got the stickables, those accessories. You've got one battery as usual. You've got the mounting setup. Pretty much bare minimum. You've got some of the documentation on the side, some stickers to use with all of the app store and things, or whatever else we've got. Product questions, warranty 1 year, I think. I'm not going to dig deep onto that, but this is the user manual with lots of information in different languages. I'm going to keep it to the side. Look at the battery. Here's the battery. What's the capacity? Lithium ion. Doesn't say anything about the capacity, I think. Don't dispose. 30th of March manufacture. Okay, I can't find anything about the battery capacity on here. Rechargeable battery. No. Maybe you can. I've just got this video, so you can probably look at this. I couldn't find anything. The stickable hair, you could use this for your car, perhaps, the window. That's it. And let's just quickly jump onto the camera itself. How do I get it out? By the way, I'm not going to get these stickers off because I do need to test this thing, and I also do need to get a case for this for my GoPro. The first of the GoPros I've got. That's coming off. Okay, tear it apart. That's it. Okay. First things first. It's got this rubberized finish. That makes me think that it's got some sort of a shock proofing or something. I don't know, but looks fairly safe in your hand. The button's quite tactile, and this is the front screen, this is the camera, this is the back screen. Well, this is the power on, power off mode, and you could use this to get your mounts and stuff with the screw and the standard mounting bracket that you get, just like God, what's going on? Like this, of course. Quite hard, but yeah, this is what we have, and whatever else we've got. Let's just quickly get the battery inserted, and what else have we got here? Now let's get the battery inserted, and how do we get this latch opened? I'm such nose here. Okay, finding a little hard to get into the battery department. Okay, this is unbelievable. How the hell can I not open this thing? Wow, okay. This is quite hard. It seems we have to sort of push this thing in somewhere. Look at me, I'm so new to this thing. I have to look at the God. Sorry about that, guys. I'm so new to this product. I've never used GoPros enough, but oh, this is hard. How do we get this thing out? I don't want to break it. Maybe we just need to... There is a spring in there that can be pressed. What do we do? How do we get this thing out? This is so hard. This might be the USB thing. Wow. Okay, I might have to sort of spend some time to explore this, and I might have to do another video to show you around. But this is the camera, and it's in its entirety. The front camera, the side screen, the back screen. It's so unfortunate I cannot turn it on because I can't just insert the battery in there. It goes in here, but it's quite hard. I don't want to break the camera, and you won't like it. Me breaking this camera on the video. Let me just explore this a little bit. Get the SD card inserted, and I'm going to do another video with this turned on, and we can look a little further as to what this camera has to offer. With this 23 megapixel photo camera, 5.3K full video resolution, 60 frames per second, and 4K at 120 frames per second. I think we'll probably give it a stop now. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next best. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.